So I want to take you through quickly JSFiddle. So you'll find in our online videos that we're using JSFiddle to show you the source code. If you follow our link to JSFiddle, you'll see, for example, this code, which is the starter code for drawing Google Charts. So let me take you through the important pieces. JSFiddle breaks the HTML into a separate section. So here's the HTML and here's the JavaScript. Now here we need to go and get a library. So I'm putting a little piece of JavaScript up here which will go and get and run this loader. And we need that Google Chart loader when we start down here and we ask it to go and load that chart. And here we're just going to load the core charts from whatever the most current version is. Now this next line here, we're setting a callback. We're setting the function go as a callback, and it's going to wait until this line of code has gone out and downloaded the Google Chart package. Okay. Otherwise, this code might be executed before the package is loaded. So it's clearly loaded here. Now in function go, we call draw chart and pass in this data. So we're going to do a little bar chart here like you see on the right hand side. So here we're going to have John, Fred, Mary, and it's this a horizontal bar chart is usually referred to as a bar chart. So here is the draw function. We need to tell it where to draw, so we get this chart div, which is defined up here in this div element for the HTML5. So we can alter the size of this. So for example, if I want to change the size of the chart, I'll change it to 500 and maybe I'll make it smaller by 400 height. Okay. And now we process the data to make it into Google Chart data table. And then finally we call the chart and we tell it where we want to draw at and what kind of chart. Here it's a bar chart. And then we tell that chart to be drawn and pass in the data table. Okay, so I'm going to update this. So notice up here the rev of this changes. Now it's 21, and then we can run it. Draws the chart and it's slightly smaller, as you see. Now let's change this. Instead of a bar chart, I want a column chart. So we just change that there. Same data is going to be passed to it, and now we update and run, and we're going to get, instead of horizontal lines, now we get vertical lines. So that's basically using JSFiddle. Okay, see you later.